هنراجع اخر 3 دروس. add اما الاقي علامة بلس نشوف 2x plus x 2 plus 1 حط هنا 1 2x plus 1x 3x 3 plus 4 يبقى plus 7. بيرسمها 2x اهي 2x plus 3 plus 3 plus x 1x plus 4 plus 4 2x plus 1x 3x 3 plus 4 equal 7. هنا برضو plus. ناخد ال like terms 2x plus 1x 2x plus 1x equal 3x minus 1 minus 5 بالحسابة minus 1 minus 5 equal minus 6. So the answer is 3x minus 6. 3x minus 6. You can practice 3x plus 2x like terms. x مع x like terms. 3x plus 2x 5x plus 5 plus 3 plus 8. Add 2x plus 3x 5x minus 4 minus 7 minus 4 minus 7. Use your calculator. Minus 11 minus 4 minus 7 equal minus 11. So the answer is 5x minus 11. Also find, I can't find the answer here. I must use distributive property. 2 times x, because 2 out brackets. When you see 2 out brackets, x plus 3, first step I must distributive. 2 multiply x equal 2x. 2 multiply 3 equal 6. The answer is 2x plus 6. So this equal 2 times x 2x, 2 times 3 6. After finishing first step, then 2x plus 3x 5x 6, because 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 1 6, because 2 times 3 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Yes. Okay. Find. I can't find first step before to add 2x minus 7 to this. I must use distributive property. 5 times x 5x. 5 multiply minus 4 minus 20 plus 2x minus 7. Use like terms. 5x plus 2x 5x plus 2x 5 plus 2 7x minus 20 minus 7 minus 20 minus 7 equal minus 27. You can practice page 397. You can practice for solve all this. I will solve f with you. 12x, I will write 12x plus 19 plus 2 multiply x 2x. 2 multiply minus 10 2 multiply minus 10 equal minus 20. 2 multiply minus 10 2 multiply minus 10 minus 20. Like terms, 12x plus 2x 12x plus 2x 14x plus 9 minus 20. Use your calculator. Plus 9 minus 20 minus 11. You can practice page 397. You can practice more and more. There are a lot of problems on your book, page 399 and 398. I will solve with you. This is easy. 2x plus 1x 3x plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. X with x and numbers with numbers. 2x plus 1x, 3x, and 3 plus 1 equal 4. Find the perimeter. Perimeter means I will add all these sides. Perimeter. Find the perimeter. Perimeter means add all sides. 3x plus 3x, 6x, plus 2x, 8x, plus 1x, 9x, plus 2x, 11x, 11x. Number only plus 4, 11x plus 4. He put x equals 3. Put x equals 3. 11 multiply 3 plus 4. 11 multiply 3, 33, plus 4 equals 37. You can practice also page 401. A lot of practice, easy, and you can find here the perimeter for trapezium. You can use the perimeter, add x, 7x plus 6x plus 5x plus 6x, and 3 with 3 with 3 to find the perimeter. Lesson number 7. Subtract linear expressions. To subtract, only I can find minus. Instead of plus, you can find minus. 5x minus 2x minus 2x equal 5x minus 2x, 5 minus 2, 3x, minus 9 minus 7 minus negative 7. Minus was minus times minus change into plus. So minus 9 plus 7 equal minus 2. So the answer is 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. You can use the calculator to find minus 9 minus open brackets minus 7 close the brackets. The answer will be negative 2. Again, 5x minus 2x, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3x. And numbers with numbers. Minus 9, negative minus 7. Minus 9, minus negative 7. Use your calculator. Minus 9, minus open brackets, minus 7, close. The answer will be negative 2. Or minus times minus, positive. Minus times minus change into positive. Negative 9 plus 7 equal minus 2. So the answer 3x minus 2. Another example, 6x minus 2x. 6x minus 2x. 6x minus 2x equal 4x. And negative 10 minus 8. Negative 10 minus 8. Negative 10 minus with minus change into positive 8. Use your calculator. Minus 10 plus 8 equal minus 2. Or minus 10 minus open brackets minus 8 equal also negative 2. The answer is 4x first step and minus 2. 4x minus 2. You can practice for page 405 and also page 407. To find this side, I want to calculate this side. 3x plus 1x, 4x plus 1x, 5x. The perimeter 6x. The perimeter of the garden shown is 6x plus 2 units. Find the length. I want to find this length. The total 6x plus 2. All the perimeter 6x plus 2. 1x plus 3x, 4x plus 1x, 5x. So plus x to be 6x. I want all must be 6x. And the total for numbers must be equal to 1 plus 1 equal to, yes, 1 plus 1 equal to, because only I want 6x plus 2 units. So 1, no numbers here, no numbers here, so 1 plus 1 equal to. You can practice also page 409. Use distributive don't be afraid. Fractions, no problem. Use fractions, no problem. Minus 5 over 6x minus 2 over 3x equal, use your calculator, minus 5 over 6 minus 2 over 3. The answer will be minus 10 times 2 to be 6 times 2 to be 6 minus 9 over 6x. And the number 5.5 minus 4 minus 4, use your calculator, 1.5. So the answer is this number, minus 9 over 6x plus, nothing means plus 1.5. I can simplify, divide by 3, you can use your calculator, minus 3 over 2x and plus 1.5. Use your distributive property, 5 multiply x, 5x, minus 5 multiply 3, 15. Only minus x out, minus x, equal, simplify, like terms, 5x minus 1x, put 1 here, 5x minus 1x, 5x minus 1x equal 4x, and minus 15 only, so minus 15. This is the answer. A lot of practice, you can practice. You can draw 3x plus 12. I want to factor. Here asks you to factor. I want to factor 3x, 3 multiply 1, 3 multiply 1, and x. 3x means 3 multiply x, 12 means 3 multiply 4. What is the number here and here? 3. So when I factor, I will 3 out, because 3 is in this side, and with 12, 3 times 4, I can find here 3, and 3 times 1, I can find here 3. I will take 3 out. When I take 3 out, x is left, plus, when I see a plus, I will write plus, minus, I will write minus. When I take 3 out, so 4 is left. Check your answer, 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 4, 12, yes. You can practice. Here also, 5x, 5 times x, 5 here, 5 times 1, between minus, what is the number here and here? 5, because 5 here and 5 here. I write 5 out, so x is left, minus, when I take 5 out, 1 is left. Check your answer, 5 times x, 5x, 5 times 1, 5. Last lesson, factor. Examples, 4x, 12x. 4x, 2 times 2 times x, because 4, 2 times 2. 12, 2 times 2 times 3, because 2 times 2 times 3 equal 12. I will find the number share in this, in 4x and inside 12x, 2 and 2 and x. 2 times 2, 4, and also x here, so factor 4x. So why 4x? Because 2 times 2 4 and x. يعني بتشوفي ايه اللي موجود هنا وموجود هنا بتختاريه. في هنا 2 هنا 2 باخد منهم واحدة 2. في هنا 2 هنا 2 اخد منهم واحدة 2 بينهم مالتبلاي. في هنا x وهنا x اطلع واحدة x المشترك common. 2 times 2 4x. I will solve this with you. 12 equal 2 times 2 times 3. How can I know these numbers? 12 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 last stop here. So 12 2 times 2 times 3, 12. 2 times 2 times 3, 28. I want to find 28. 28 divide by 2, 14. 14 even number. Divide by 2, 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. Stop. When we see 1, stop. So 28 equal 2 times 2 times 7. 28 C equal 28. 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. 2 times 2 times 7. I will find the greatest common factor. Greatest common factor. I will check here 2 and here 2. I will take 1, 2. Also 2 here and 2 on this side. I will take 1, 2. 2 times 2. No, 3 or 7, no. So I will take 2 times 2 equal 4. So the greatest common factor only 4. When I factor, I will take 4 out. When I take 4 out, 3 is left. If you wrote plus, write plus. If you wrote minus, write minus. When I took 2 times 2, 4, 7 is remainder. And don't forget to write here also C. Don't forget to write C, because 28, 2 times 2 times 7 also multiply by C. Close brackets. I will solve page 417. 4x plus 35, I can't find anything greatest common factor. You can't find. So write can't be factored. Cannot be factored. Cannot be factored because you can't find anything. Because 4, 2 times 2 and x here. 35, 5 times 7. What is the number you can find in the first term and in second term? You can't find anything. So you must write cannot be factored. Okay? You can practice. Question number 6, page 419. I want to factor 12, 3 multiplied by 4, 30, 3 multiplied by 10. What is the number I can find in first term and in second term? 3. I will write 3 out. So 4 is left and x also is left. Plus, you can write plus. When I take 3 out, so 10 is left. Don't forget to write y. Check your answer. 3 times 4, 12x. 3 times 10y, 30y. 3 multiply 10, 30y. This is easy. Page 421. Also practice. They ask you to factor each expression. This is called expression because first term, second term, the expression consists of variables, numbers, and at least one operation, minus, plus. 30x equal 3 multiply 10 multiply x, and 40 equal 4 times 10, 40 only. Yes, I can find 10 in both in first term and second term. I will take 10 out. So when I take 10 out, 3x is left, plus or minus, minus. When I take 10 out, so 4 is left. Check your answer. 10 times 3, 30x. 10 times 4, 40. Okay. A square. Don't be afraid when you see for a lot of English. You must be don't afraid. Only you can find 8x plus 20 centimeters here. What is the length of one side? He want you to a square. You can calculate the area. So when you can find 8x plus 20, the area equal length times width. Area equal length times width. So I want to know 8x plus 20. What can I write first here and what can I write second? So 8, 4 times 2, 20, 4 times 5. So I will write 4 out because 8, 4 times what? 4 times 2, x. Plus or minus, plus. 4 times what equal 20? 4 times 5. So length times width, length times width. You want to use factored to know the length times width. 4 times 2, 8x. 4 times 5, 20. When you find a square, a rectangle, and ask you about to find the length or to find the width. Okay. A practice also. Page 422. Page 422. Last page you must study for the exam tomorrow. Review. Use the distributive property. 4 multiply x, 4x, plus 4 times 1, 4. 3 multiply a, 3a, plus or minus plus. 3 multiply 10, 30. 7 multiply 2, 14, plus 7 multiply 5, 35. Okay.